we come to another old and original elevator, the service elevator at the Highlights at Houston Center. I'm sorry if I keep saying Highlands or Highlights. I'm not really good with the names, but this is another ESCO GAL elevator. That elevator right there serves the office floors, but we're not going to ride that because all the floors are locked. Hopefully this one works though. I don't usually go into service hallways. Oh, the button just lit up. I believe this is the same exact elevator like I saw on the other side. Same exact elevator. One. I absolutely love that IEE indicator right there. Oh, it's an Otis. Well, I think this is technically an ESCO, but they just slapped in that Otis sign right there. And look at this, older Otis. Series 1 fire service control. I remember filming this elevator back in 2012. This was definitely worth checking out. This floating dock. This is definitely worth checking out. This is one of the few remaining original elevators, along with the Otis newer Lexan elevator. I'm not going to film the other elevator because it's just pretty much exactly the same like this one, and also that serves the office floors, which all floors are locked off. My camera's having a hard time focusing, but we're going to definitely get a full detailed view of that floor indicator as we go back up. Now re-leveled. Button flickering. Or did I just miss it? Oh, I'll just go for one more ride. Sorry about that, guys. Also, I just saw that Ford flickering. Oh, I don't know if you can barely see that. I'm gonna let you watch that Ford floor button flicker. That is interesting. Sorry for taking one more ride on this elevator. I just wanted to get a view of that 4-button flickering. But man, is this elevator worth checking out. And those lanterns don't seem to work. Oh, there it goes. See? Look at that. See? You can see the 4-button flickering. if it'll focus. But I do like the motor on this. And the flickering just went out. These look like ESCO equipment, but the main contract is Otis. I think it could also be like an Otis or something, because the rest of the elevators here are Otis, so it's hard to tell which. But I really love that IE indicator right there. Anyways, here we are at 4. I think we have already took enough rides. Definitely a nice elevator. I'll just show you real quick.